So over the years, we've used drip line irrigation and absolutely loved it. But one of the things as we moved on is I'm finding out what I thought was enough is not necessarily enough, especially when you're facing a drought like we have this summer. Typically in a 2.5 by 5 foot bed, I was just running 3 straight water lines, as you can see, going across, and then I was just capping them off at the ends here by just kind of calling it quits. So I'd have 3 individual lines that I could move around as I needed. But what I was finding out is it wasn't enough, because as you can see, I just watered this morning, and even I can go down a couple inches and it's still dry. Another telltale sign. See all these roots up here? They're just searching for the water at the surface. So I just need that water to get down deeper. So my solution was to come on in and modify some of my watering system one bed at a time. Of course, I picked one of the hottest days of summer here, but I have now 4 lines going. So I'm keeping my lines about every 5 to 6 inches apart. Another thing I'm doing is over here at this end, instead of capping them off, I just put in these T connectors. So that way water is just continually going and working its way through this main tube. And then finally, that last line that's coming across, instead of having an extra connection here, it's just going all the way around, getting this corner nice and wet, and I still have it connected right on in here. This way, I'm going to get a better overall soaking of this bed where I can do 60 to 90 minute soakings, maybe every other day, and that way the water will be down and deep and these plants will be able to make it through a brutal summer like we got going on right now. So I've gone ahead, turned on the water just to make sure that I've got no leaks, no issues. What I want to make sure I do with these water lines, I want to make sure they're touching the dirt. I don't want to be putting these water lines up over the top of the mulch with this drip system. I want them right here against the soil. What I can do now is right over these lines, put a light layer of compost. So I just want to give this soil a little bit of a boost. I've got here, this is called coop poop. It's just an organic, slow release fertilizer. I think it's a 455, not quite sure. I'm going to sprinkle that all around, and then also sprinkle in a little bit of this azomite before I put those leaves on top. As you can see, this dirt's already starting to get moist on top here from those drip lines. You can see that right here. It's already doing its thing. So hopefully that water will continue to just head on down. We'll have a much better watered garden for these hot summer days. I'm just going to scratch this in. I'm not doing it too much. It'll do all the work on its own for the most part. And finally, I'll get all this, because I'm not ready for that corn today, but maybe in a couple of days. I want to get some of this leaf mulch just laid on over the top. So thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please hit the like button. Want to see how our garden journey goes? Consider subscribing. Any questions or suggestions, please put them down in the comments section below, and we'll see you on the next video.